बर्थडे पूनम, खुश रहो, आबाद रहो।
जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं पूनम, और ईश्वर से यही प्रार्थना है कि तुम दीर्घजीवी रहो, स्वस्थ रहो और सदा प्रसन्न रहो। आज यह वीडियो बना रहे हैं ना, तो सच में तुम्हारे जन्म का दिन याद आ रहा है कि नाना जी और नानी जी भी उस समय बम्बई आए हुए थे। नानी जी ने तो अस्पताल में तुम्हारी पहली झलक देखते ही कह दिया था, ये तो पूनम है, और उसी समय से तुम्हारा नाम पूनम ही निश्चित हो गया था। और तुम्हारे नामकरण में नाना जी ने तो हारमोनियम बजाकर 3-4 भजन गाकर बड़ी रौनक कर दी थी। दिमाग में कुछ पंक्तियां गुनगुना रही हैं, चलो गुनगुना लेते। जब से आई हो तुम खुशियां ही लाई हो, ऐसा व्यवहार तुम्हारा सबके मन को भाई हो। जब से आई हो तुम खुशियां ही लाई हो, ऐसा व्यवहार तुम्हारा सबके मन को भाई हो। स्नेह भरा स्वभाव तुम्हारा सबके मन को भाता है। तुम आती हो घर में उजाला सा हो जाता है, एक पल में ही जैसे माहौल बदल सा जाता है। दिल तो जैसे सबका खुशहाल हो जाता है। कुछ पुण्य किए होंगे हमने, हमारे घर आई हो, ऐसा व्यवहार तुम्हारा सबके मन भाई हो। जब से आई हो तुम खुशियां ही लाई हो, ऐसा व्यवहार तुम्हारा सबके मन को भाई हो। याद है मुझे भरूच में तुम्हारा वो जन्मदिन, 80 बच्चों की पूरी क्लास को तुमने बुलाया था उस दिन। सोच में पड़ी थी मैं, ये कैसे होगा आज के दिन। सादे घर को महल बनाने में लगे तुम्हें सिर्फ कुछ मिनट, इसीलिए तो अब तक घर में सभी जगह तुम छाई हो। ऐसा व्यवहार तुम्हारा सबके मन को भाई हो। जब से आई हो तुम खुशियां ही लाई हो, ऐसा व्यवहार तुम्हारा सबके मन को भाई हो। वैष्णवी के कारण ही ये वीडियो बनाया है, लॉकडाउन में उसे ये ही गिफ्ट देना भाया है। क्यों न दे गिफ्ट प्यारा सा, तुम बच्चों की मां न्यारी हो। कौन सी रेसिपी है जो तुमने नहीं खिलाई हो। सारे शहर में शालू को सिर्फ तुम भाई हो, ऐसा व्यवहार तुम्हारा सबके मन को भाई हो। जब से आई हो तुम खुशियां ही लाई हो, ऐसा व्यवहार तुम्हारा सबके मन को भाई हो। ला 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 ला, हा 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 हा।
Happy birthday, Poonam. Hope you have a great day with all your loved ones around and a memorable year ahead. Hope you keep making memories. Stay happy, stay blessed, stay healthy.
Happy birthday, Poonam Bua. I want to sing a song for you now. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Poonam Bua. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday, dear Poonam Bua. Happy birthday to you. Thank you.
Happy birthday, ma'am. Many, many happy returns of the day and enjoy your day. Hi, Poonam. You have all the best added to yourself. Best bahu, best wife, best mom, and my bestie. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Poonam auntie.
Happy birthday, Poonam auntie.
हाय पूनम, सो स्पेशल डे टुडे। सोच रहा था क्या आज तेरे लिए कैसा कौन सा वाला मैसेज, जीना इसी का नाम है का मैसेज भेजूं या क्या भेजूं। तो मैं पीछे गया थोड़ा और अपनी यादों को टटोला, और फिर बहुत साल पहले जाके गुजरात का अपने बचपन से जाके एक मैंने चीज़ निकाली है। तो मैंने सोचा मैं एक अपनी बेसुरी आवाज़ में थोड़ा सा गाऊं। शरद पूनमनी रातમાં ચાંદલિયો ઉગ્યો છે. શરદ પૂનમની રાતમાં ચાંદલિયો ઉગ્યો છે. કે મારું મનડું નાચે, કે મારું તનડું નાચે, કે મારું મનડું નાચે, કે મારું તનડું નાચે. એના કિરણો રેલાય છે આભમાં, આભમાં, આભમાં. शरद पूनमनी रातમાં चांदलियो उग्यो छे. और जैसे गुजराती नहीं आती है तो इसका अर्थ है कि भाई शरद पूनम की रात है और मैं बहुत ही खुश हूँ और उसकी रोशनी, उसकी किरणों से पूरा आकाश प्रज्वलित है. सो इसी तरह से पूनम, तुम्हारे कारण तुम्हारे आसपास सभी लोगों में तुमने खुशियाँ फैला के रखी हैं. Always be like that. Wish you a very, very happy birthday. Have an amazing day and an awesome year ahead. Okay? Bye.
Hello, ma'am. Wish you many, many happy returns of the day. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe, and always keep smiling the way you smile and live long. You know, you are the most beautiful woman I know from inside and out. Such a beautiful soul. And you know, I used to think how ma'am manages her school, her kids, her home all together. और जब भी आप हमारे पास आते थे at the end of the day, you were always smiling. कभी भी आपको, आप लगता है थकते ही नहीं हो, हमेशा आप हंसते रहते थे. कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, कभी गुस्सा नहीं किया. यू नेवर स्कोल्डेड अस, नेवर. एंड यू नो, थैंक यू सर की डांट से बचाने के लिए. थैंक यू फॉर एवरीथिंग यू डिड फॉर मी. थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग देयर फॉर मी. एंड आई लव यू सो मच. यू आर माई इंस्पिरेशन, माई मोटिवेशन. यू नो, अभी भी कभी मैं कहीं भी स्टक होती हूँ, आई थिंक कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हो, मैं ये सोचती हूँ कि मैम कैसे सॉर्ट आउट करती थी, मैं भी कर सकती हूँ. आई कैन डू इट. आई ऑलवेज वॉन्टेड टू बी यू. मतलब आई वॉन्ट द वे यू डू, द वे यू हैंडल थिंग्स, द वे वॉन्टेड टू बी यू. मतलब आई वॉन्ट द वे यू डू, द वे यू हैंडल थिंग्स, द वे you handle your work. I want to be like you. And thank you for everything, and I love you, I miss you, and a tight hug for you, ma'am. Hope to see you soon. We'll meet again, and love you once again. Happy birthday, enjoy your day, have blast.
Hello, ma'am. Wishing you a very happy birthday. God bless you with lots of happiness. Stay loving and kind as you are. And hope to see you soon. Happy birthday once again. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Poonam ma'am. May God fulfill your all the wishes and hope you have amazing birthday.
Happy birthday, ma'am.
Hi, Poonam Di.
Many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday, dear. God bless you.
हाय पूनम, विश यू वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे. सदा खुश रहो, स्वस्थ रहो और इसी तरह से मुस्कुराती रहो. विश यू वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे अगेन.
एंड आई विश मैं हमेशा ही आपका क्यूटेस्ट बच्चा रहूं. एंड जल्द ही जल्द हम लोग देहरादून मिले, सब लोग 23 जन परिवार के सब उधर मिले और मस्ती करें ढेर सारी, एंड आपका बर्थडे उधर सेलिब्रेट करें. बाय. हैप्पी बर्थडे वंस अगेन.
हाय.
Hi Poonam, wish you a very, very happy birthday. May you enjoy your birthday the quarantine way. Have lots of fun with the family. Pamper yourself. And once again, wish you a very, very happy birthday. Enjoy. Bye-bye.
Hi Didi, wish you a very happy birthday. Have fun, enjoy your day और खूब सारी फोटोज़ भेजना हमें.
Happy
happy birthday. I hope you and your family are in a good health. I remember coming to you about 3 years ago as a fresher. You gave me a chance to work in your reputed institution. I've learned a lot from you and sir, and I'll be applying these skills not only in my professional life as well as in my personal life. Thank you so much for being such an important and positive influence. I don't think I'll ever be able to thank you enough. I wish you all the great things life has to offer. Much love once again. Happy birthday, ma'am.
Happy birthday, Poonam ma'am. I wish you a day full of joy and happiness, and I wish all your desires and dreams come true. The wishes are coming from Vancouver, Canada, and I would like to say that your hard work have paid, because I see that Shamrock is doing really well. And next time whenever you come to Canada, do come and stay with us. I will be coming to India like next year, and definitely I'm going to see you. And I feel very happy when I'm doing this, because you hold a special place in my heart. And a very happy birthday, and I miss you a lot. Thank you. Take care.
Hello, ma'am. Wish you a very, very happy birthday. I'm so glad to be a part of your birthday celebration. Thanks to Vaishnavi for that, for remembering me. And I have no words to express actually, because my feelings are so vast for you. Apart from being my kids' mentor, you have been my guide also. And I can't forget the love, the support, the strength you have always given me so happily and so readily. And as always I say that I'm just a call away if you need any help, anything. And may you have the best of birthday, may you have the best of motherhood for your entire life, and may your life be filled with blissful moments and health, happiness, love and luck always. Stay blessed, ma'am. Wish you a very, very happy birthday once again.
Wish you a very, very happy birthday, ma'am. God always bless you, good health, wealth, and lots of success in your life. Again, happy birthday, ma'am. Enjoy your day.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Poonam ma'am. I wish you all the happiness and success in your life. I'm so glad to be a part of your institution. Thank you so much for having faith in me. You are very kind, generous and inspirational. You set an example of a perfect teacher for every one of us. Thank you for having me in the family of Shamrock. I will always give my best. Once again, happy birthday to you, Poonam ma'am. We all love you. Take care.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Poonam Didi. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Poonam.
Start this.
Happy birthday, Poonam. May God bless you.
Again.
Happy
birthday. Have a great day.
Have a great day. Bye.
Hello ma'am, happy birthday to you. On your special day, I would like to tell you that you are very special for me and you are very close to me. And you inspired me a lot. Because of you, I'm here today. And I have learned a lot from you. Thank you for everything. And in my opinion, you are such an amazing person. And thanks for your guidance and everything. Once again, happy birthday. Take care and lots of love.
Hi Bhabhi, कैसे हो? Wish you a very, very, very happy birthday. I really miss the time which we all had spent together. Lovely memories. I wish वो समय एक बार फिर से दोबारा आ जाए और हम सब लोग मिलकर फिर से वैसे से रहें. Miss you all. Lots of love. Happy birthday once again.
Hello ma'am, wish you a very, very happy birthday to my respected principal ma'am. Ma'am, you are so kind and you are very hardworking. Really, ma'am, you are all rounder. You are a magician of teaching, magician of ethics. Yes, ma'am. Thanks for your moral support and thanks for everything. Ma'am, you are a lifeline of Shamrock, and I am so lucky that I am the part of Shamrock Navchetan. मैम प्लीज़ मैम हमेशा ऐसे ही रहना, आप हमेशा खुश रहो एंड हेल्दी रहो. और मैम वंस अगेन विश यू वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे. लव यू मैम.
Hey Poonam, happy birthday. Though we've spent a very little time together, but the connect I feel is for a lifetime. As you step into another year, I wish you beautiful memories, good health, and lovely moments to cherish all through. Wish you a very happy birthday, dear.
हेलो पूनम मैम, विश यू अ वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. आज आप जो भी चाहो आपको सब कुछ मिल जाए, आप खुश रहो, हमेशा ऐसे ही मुस्कुराते रहो. और ये गाना मेरी तरफ से आपके लिए.
Hi Poonam, many happy returns of your birthday. May your birthday be as sweet as the cake.
Hi Poonam, many happy returns of the day. God bless. Enjoy your day. Have a great party. Bye.
Hello Principal Ma'am, how are you? Very happy birthday to you, ma'am. And I hope this special day brings a lot of happiness and excitement in your life. I wish that God bless you with all the success and all the happiness in your life. And I hope this special day comes as your dreams fulfillment day. And from my personal side, ma'am, I have learned a lot from you. Since past 5 years, I have learned that how you can become successful in each and every task, not to worry about small things which I usually used to do earlier. I have learned this from you, and the way you have taught me the very basics of teaching, the very basics of dealing with the parents, these things I have learned from you. And as my experience from past 5 years, you are a tremendous person, and you're really very helpful, very understanding from the point of view of a woman. You are really very supportive, ma'am, and I really, from the bottom of my heart, I wish that this day brings a lot of happiness in your life and all your dreams come true. God bless you with tremendous happiness in multiple ways, the ways which makes you happy. So ma'am, as a person, thank you so much that you've inspired me a lot, and a very happy birthday to you again. Party hard, and we are also waiting for the party, ma'am. Okay ma'am, bye.
हेलो पूनम मैम, गुड मॉर्निंग. विश यू अ वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे. आपका बर्थडे बहुत अच्छा रहे आपके लिए. आप बहुत अच्छी मदर हो, बहुत अच्छी टीचर हो, इवन आप मेरे लिए बहुत अच्छी मेरी फ्रेंड हो. और आपका ये बर्थडे आपके लिए बहुत स्पेशल रहे. आप हमेशा खुश रहो, यही दुआ है. वंस अगेन फॉर माय साइड, विश यू मैनी मैनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे. मे गॉड ब्लेस यू. भगवान आपको सारी खुशियाँ दे. थैंक यू.
Hello, ma'am. Happy birthday to you. A small message for you on this birthday. Ma'am, you are a very good human being. I have learned so much from you, and I hope so I can learn more from you. I'm very thankful you had taught me so many things, and I got so many things to know from your school. I'm very happy to working as a teacher in your school. Hope you will stay like that, as happy and blessed always. So thank you, ma'am. Once again, happy birthday to you.
Hello, ma'am. Wish you a very, very, very happy birthday, ma'am. And God bless you. आप हमेशा खुश रहें, हंसते रहें, मुस्कुराते रहें. इस बार हम लोग नहीं हैं आपके बर्थडे पर, मैम. एंड आई मिस यू, मैम. आई मिस यू सो मच. और आप अपना बर्थडे अच्छे से सेलिब्रेट करना. And enjoy your day, ma'am. Enjoy a lovely day. And wish you a very happy birthday, ma'am. God bless you.
Many happy return of the day. Happy birthday, ma'am. आपके लिए छोटा सा सॉन्ग. बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए. तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू मैम, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. थैंक यू मैम.
Good morning, ma'am. Wish you a very happy birthday on this very special day of yours, ma'am. Wish you a good health. Hope all your birthday wishes come true, ma'am. Again, wish you a very happy birthday.
Wish you a very happy birthday, ma'am. May God bless you always.
Hello, ma'am. Wish you a very happy birthday, Poonam, ma'am. God bless you. May God bring you a lot of happiness in your life. I just want to thank you to make me a part of a Shamrock family. Thank you, ma'am. Thanks for that. I'm truly thankful for that. Once again, happy birthday, ma'am. God bless you. Always stay happy and healthy. Thank you, ma'am. Enjoy your day, ma'am. Again, happy birthday, ma'am.
On this special occasion, I am wishing you a very, very happy birthday to you, HM ma'am. May God bless you. It's my prayer that your life will be filled with joy, happiness, and prosperity. Happy birthday to you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, for helping and supporting me. Stay blessed. Have a wonderful day. Thank you, ma'am.